Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute seal. You'll need something to draw with. Let's get started! So our first shape is going to be a big archway for the seal's head. You're going to go from one side of the middle of the page to the other. You make this really big, going around and curving my line in. Okay. Next, after you curved your line, you're going to make another curved line. You're going to meet it from the outside right here, a little bit from the bottom part of the head, and make it around, like a really big U shape. I'm going around, I'm curving up. There we go. Then I'm going to connect another line from the other side and go inward. Make another like archway. There we go. So that is our seal's body. We're going to make a curved line going upward from that top line. There you go, up. And then we're going to make another curved line going outward to go down. Next, we're going to make another line a little bit more in to that tail and make our way out. And then we're going to make another curved line connecting the two together. So we have our seal's body done. We're almost done. Our little seal friend needs to be able to swim around. So we're going to make a fin going around, making a nice big U shape. There we go. There's that U shape right there. And then we're going to make its belly, going from one side of its belly on the left and then making our way to the right. So curving up, touching the fin, and then going down. Let's make our eyes for the seal's head. So we're going to go up here and make a nice big oval shape. There's one eye. I'm going to make another oval shape on the other side. And then add some tinier ovals on the inside for the glare. And let's give this seal a tiny little nose, making an upside down triangle. And a cute mouth. So one little W. You can make two U's and put them together, or one W, and then a V shape underneath. Some whiskers. So we're going to just make a fast straight line, diagonal line, going down, and let's make another one going down that way, and another one going that way. That's it. Oh, let's give our seal some eyebrows. And that's it. Our seal's complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. I can't wait to see what your outcomes are. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.